How to delete your story on TikTok. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can quickly delete a story you've posted on TikTok using your iPhone or Android device. For this tutorial, I'm using an iOS device. However, if you're using Android, you can follow similar steps because the steps are the same on both of the devices. So first of all, you're going to head over and open your TikTok application, and then you're going to click on your profile at the bottom right. And once you do so, you will be redirected to your profile. So if you have accidentally posted a story and you're not able to see the story over here, what you need to do is simply click on your profile over here. And once you do so, this is the story that I accidentally posted, and you'll be able to see all of the viewers over here. In order to delete the story, what you're going to do is simply click on these three dots here. So simply click on these three dots at the bottom right. And once you do so, you'll be able to see an option of delete. So you can simply click on delete, and once you do so, it would say delete and re-edit or simply delete. So I'm going to click on delete, and here you'll be able to see a notification of deleted, and you can see that your story has now been deleted. So that was how you can delete your story on TikTok. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.